Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need direct access and administrator or root permissions before you start. Incognito mode prevents Chrome from storing normal history, so you focus on supporting artifacts instead. First, open a terminal or command prompt. On Windows, you will use ipconfig/displaydins. On Mac OS, use sudo killall hup mdns responder, then sudo dscashutil cachedump. And on Linux, check systemd resolved or /etc/hosts. Once done, capture the DNS cache output and save it as a text file for analysis. This exposes recent hostname lookups even from Incognito. Next, examine the network-level records that Incognito does not erase. Log into the router or gateway admin page. Export DHCP and DNS logs to see domain names and timestamps. Make sure to also check Google My Activity if the person signed into a Google account while browsing. That can record searches and visited pages. If you have prior packet captures or firewall logs, open them in a viewer and filter by IP or time range. These sources reveal the how and when of connections that Chrome itself won't retain. Finally, compile the data into a timeline. Match DNS lookups to router entries and any Google activity timestamps to reconstruct visits. If you need deeper evidence, run forensic tools on the device to extract volatile memory or deleted artifacts. This requires specialist software and care to preserve integrity. Make sure to export and timestamp every log. If you find logs are missing or were cleared, that is the key troubleshooting point. Once network logs and caches are purged, recovery is unlikely. Instead,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.